going to go over the hip opener. And this is very similar to our lizard stretch, but we're going to be actively pushing our knee out, trying to open up the hip as well as even the groin area a little bit more. So you want to start off in a lunge position. You can pad up your back knee either with a mat, such as I'm doing here, or use a towel. So you'll have one hand on the floor right here. Front foot is held nice and flat, and from here, you'll gently just press the knee out and just let the hip sink to the floor, relaxing in the pose. So you'll repeat this on both sides. Pushing the knee out, then they come back in, gently pushing it out, trying not to force the position. And that there is the hip opener.